Hey guys, welcome to FFFT Fast Fact of Future Tech.
Mechanical keyboards are a completely different story. Such a keyboard consists of a PCB, on which switches are mounted, and on and the caps for the keys. The most important thing in this case is that each key has its own dedicated switch. Thanks to this, by pressing several buttons at the same time, we guarantee that all of them will be registered. Mechanical keyboards are so expensive because they have a much more complex structure than standard membrane keyboards. They have many more parts and require more assembly work. Each button has its own switch, and it is these switches that make up the bulk of the price of a mechanical keyboard. The keyboards themselves are also often made of better quality materials. Subscribe for more.